In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign on Leadpages. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an effective landing page in just 5 minutes, a vital skill for anyone looking to maximize their online presence. First, let's open your preferred web browser and search for Leadpages. Once you see the search results, make sure to click on the correct link to take you to the Leadpages website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to set up an account before we proceed, but let's assume you're all logged in for this walkthrough. Now that you're in your account, look for the Create New Landing Page button. This is where the magic begins for your new campaign. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a gallery full of templates. Here's a pro tip. You can filter these templates by type, industry, or conversion rate, which can really help you find a design that aligns perfectly with your campaign's goals. After you've found a template that suits your needs, click the Start Building button. You'll then be prompted to name your landing page. Choose something relevant that makes it easy to identify this page later. Then, click on Continue to start customizing. You'll want to make the content your own. Click on any text elements to change the headlines, subheadlines, and other parts of your copy. This is where you can let your creativity shine and make sure your messaging is clear and compelling. Next, you might want to add or remove sections to tailor the page to your campaign. Leadpages does this easily with a drag-and-drop interface. You can rearrange pre-designed sections until you've built the perfect page structure. Now, let's personalize further by uploading your own media. Replace any placeholder images or videos with your own to give your page that personal touch and visual appeal. Consider also customizing the widgets. You can add or edit them, whether they're text, images, buttons, or opt-in forms. These elements can significantly enhance user interaction on your landing page. Don't forget to include a form widget to collect leads. This is crucial for capturing visitor information so that you can engage with them later. To take this a step further, integrate this form with your email marketing platform, like HubSpot or ConvertKit, so that new leads automatically join your mailing list. Once configured, it's vital to define what happens after someone submits a form. You might redirect them to a thank you page, keep them on the same page, or even offer them a lead magnet. Before you finish, preview your page on various devices like desktops, tablets, and phones to ensure it looks great no matter where it's viewed. And finally, when you're satisfied, go ahead and click Publish in the top right corner. And there you have it. Your campaign is live. You've just created a landing page on Leadpages. Keep practicing, and you'll be creating stunning, effective campaigns in no time.